Do you want your backyard to be this big? This big? Or this big? Alright, welcome to my latest listing at 8 Jacobsen Boulevard in Scugog. So I helped my client bought this home back in 2021. Now they're looking for a little bit of lifestyle change and we're going to put it on the market very soon. The unique thing about this property, not only has a massive backyard as you just saw, this massive structure is actually a heated 2-car garage. You can use it as a workshop. The attic can be used as well. And the frontage is 100 feet frontage. Lots of room. It is a bungalow with 3 bedrooms on the main floor. And then the basement is finished, walkout as well. So let's go check out this amazing home. Alright, so let's come check out the house itself. This is the kitchen, and as you can see, you have all the appliances here, and you have a nice island here for you. If you want to have a quick breakfast, you can actually have it here. And this leads into the massive garage. So this garage is actually heated. And one thing I want to show you is this water heat system. So it will heat up the ground using water. And we have the full maintenance menu and everything for this system as well. And this leads to the backyard. So let's say if you want to mow the lawn, you can just push it out here. So they have a nice concrete platform over here. If you want to wash stuff, this would be a good area to do it. And just look at this view. Fantastic backyard, so massive. You can do whatever you want here. So let's go check out the rest of the house. Over here we have the living room. There are lots of sunlight because this leads directly to the backyard. You have massive windows. So the homeowner has added a nice gazebo over here. So you can enjoy a nice afternoon here. Very nice. The deck is still in pretty good shape. So let's check out the bedrooms. So let's come this way. So you have 3 bedrooms on this floor. All 3 rooms are quite spacious. And you have the bathroom over there. So after that, let's go come check out the basement. The basement is this way actually. The basement is finished as well with a walkout. So there's the laundry room over here. Look. The basement has a very nice bathroom over here. And the rest of the basement, they put in new tiles. It's in really good shape. This is the walkout. You can walk out directly to the backyard. So it's very convenient if you have like big pets and stuff. Yeah, so this is another bedroom. They actually still have another gazebo kind of structure haven't put up yet. So if you're interested, you can actually take it over. The homeowner is willing to give that away as well. Another kitchen over here. Alright, thank you for joining me on this tour of this beautiful home. If you want more information, definitely reach out using the information down below. We'd be happy to get in touch and tell you more about this beautiful home. If you don't want to miss out on any of our upcoming listing, make sure to subscribe and like our video so that we can show you more properties.